Welcome to Music with Mrs. Avery's SeeSaw tutorial. Before beginning this tutorial, please download the free SeeSaw class app on your home device. When you enter the app, select I'm a Student. Scan the class QR code found in the lesson plan. Now that you have entered the SeeSaw classroom, select Activities. Find the assigned activity and click Add Response. Now select your classroom teacher. Now it is time to complete the activity. If you need to review the instructions, click the View Instructions button at the top of your screen. When you have completed the activity, tap the check mark icon in the top right-hand corner twice.